introducing the newest member to the Drift Magos family. This total piece of junk, AE86. Luckily, most of the car is complete. Picked it up. It will need a bunch of work. Mainly right in here and the other side. Hopefully, I mean, it does look a little rough. Tons of surface rust, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Trunk doesn't close. But I don't know. I guess we'll see what she looks like in however long. Jeez. Luckily, the big plus actually has an engine and transmission.